Have you ever noticed the number of accessories we carry along to enhance our day? Ever imagine a device that could replace all these accessories into one powerful, sleek wearable? Introducing the next big thing in the world of wearable technology, Zenso S-Ring, a revolutionary smart ring that has over 6 accessories packed into one sleek ring that stays wrapped around your finger.
This is what me and my dream team were working for the past 4 years. We are so passionate on creating and developing more innovative products. We want to create a real product that solves the problems faced by people in day-to-day life. And this is our first contribution to the world.
With the S-Ring, you can answer phone calls without having to pull out your mobile from your pocket, or even when your phone is at some distance, and keep your conversations private without others overhearing you. Reduce external noise and enjoy crystal clear conversation even in a crowded place.
Hello? You're reached.
It comes with a built-in earpiece, microphones, ultra-low power microcontroller, and numerous state-of-the-art technologies. Zenso stores your confidential files. Unlock the files by using the Touch ID on your mobile phone or the passcode even when you are away from it, and safely share and retrieve files. Even back up files from your smartphone to the device in real time. It's that simple. An infrared sensor detects the presence of the ring in your hand, so it can be activated only by authorization from your mobile. The safety of your files remains at your fingertips. Packed with motion control, the ring recognizes and interprets your gestures so you can enjoy complete control of your devices.
Initially, we thought it was impossible to add all these micro components in this small form. We have customized few components so that it fits perfectly in this small form considering the size of the ring. It is designed in such a way it can be used on both the hands.
The S-Ring allows you to pay for purchases with a mere tap. Use it wherever contactless payments are accepted. An automated alarm will remind you to pick up your mobile if you move away from it. S-Ring takes care of you in every way, even when it comes to your health. It keeps track of your steps, calories, and notifies you when you achieve your daily goals. Fear nothing, especially when the S-Ring is at your disposal. Activate it by long pressing the Smart SOS button. Discreetly inform your family, friends, and emergency services in case of danger without letting the stranger know. Still need to explore more? Here's a special feature for you. Use the intelligent voice assistant to simply listen to the current time.
The current time is 10:30 p.m.
It's aligned with Siri and Google Assistant.
Siri, set the alarm for 6:30 in the morning.
Your alarm is set for 6:30 in the morning.
Use the S-Ring's Bluetooth technology to automatically unlock your smart doors. Also, the device vibrates to wake you up without disturbing your loved one's sleep.
We have made dozens of prototypes and tested it. Now we are on the final stage. Your funds will go towards the final tooling production to manufacture the Zenso.
Now you see why we call it the revolutionary smart ring.
Now it's your turn to help us bring Zenso to your fingers. Let's get connected to the real world and experience freedom at its best.
The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created Rollover, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rollover is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, Rollover is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rollover comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. Rollover provides measuring capabilities in a range of units using a revolutionary user interface. By supporting this campaign, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience a reality. We are ready to change the future, with you by our side.
When John Glenn launched into space, millions of people, by watching it, had to be on this time zone.
Mark, a backup clock is started.
That to me is a really beautiful moment.
If you mark something, maybe it gives it a little bit more permanence, as opposed to just letting it whiz by.
Can you make timekeeping devices that alter your relationship to time?
What? 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Hi, I'm Taylor.
I'm Sayway.
We're CW&T, and this is Time Since Launch. It's a single-use long-scale launch clock. Pull the pin, and it starts counting up for 2,738 years. That's a long time.
A really long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is
Wait, so
a
it might
dream.
seem obvious to you, but people can use this for all different types of things. Some might launch it on their wedding day. Some might launch it when a baby's born. Other people might, for example, stop eating meat or quit smoking or, I don't know, do you have one?
Start a road trip or move into a new apartment, a new house.
Yeah, or
move out of the house.
Across the world. Or you could just pick a regular Wednesday morning, which is kind of our favorite scenario of how this works.
Yeah, nobody's going to do it. But yeah, this is our favorite scenario.
Do that.
Is if you just randomly pick a moment, you're like, today seems like a good day. And then you just pull the pin. And by doing that, you make that moment yours. Nobody else's. That now belongs to you. And you have a little marker that's going to tell you exactly how many days, hours, minutes, and seconds it's been
since special
that special random moment where nothing else was happening. It wasn't someone's wedding. Nobody was being born. Well, someone's probably being born somewhere.
Or getting
but in your world, it's just special
to you
because you pulled the pin.
Yeah.
But of course, you can pull the pin at any special moment also, which is pretty cool too.
Okay. This is our dream project, if you can't tell. We love
this project so much. Mostly because it started as a conceptual art project. Like this, I've made lots of timekeeping devices. This is one of many conceptual timekeeping devices I've made. But this is the only one that's ever made it to this level. Like, we are ready to manufacture this in the hundreds, in the thousands or 10,000s.
However many
we've worked really hard to make this produce a manufacturable product. And in that sense, it's a dream project of ours. It's easy to make one-offs of any kind of conceptual timepiece, but this is like, we actually see this being in lots of people's lives.
And lasting for an extremely long time, which you can read all about that stuff in,
so if you get it, awesome. Please help us make it. We've been working on this for a really long time, since 2015, making all kinds of prototypes, first thinking about it just as a conceptual piece, but now it's like, now it's real.
Yeah, and part of the inspiration for this too is I don't know, we're used to having things like watches and clocks and calendars on a daily basis to interface with time, but this is something that integrates with your everyday life, but it's an everyday reminder of a scale of time that's completely outside of your normal ability to perceive time or to just think about the world. And it works.
Yeah.
Which is amazing.
You could even, I was just thinking, you could just,
stands on its
you
own.
could use it to mark like a news event too. You should be like, there's something special that happened that you read in the news and you're like, I gotta remember this moment. And so then you pull the pin. Here, I'll just pull one. And then, you know, you have this sitting on your shelf, and then for the rest of your life, you have a little thing that'll tell you exactly how many days, hours, minutes, and seconds it's been since that news event that was so life-changing
or a
to you.
book that you read.
Oh, yeah.
That's better than a news event.
Sorry, yeah. Yeah, you finish the book, you're like, on the last sentence, and you're like, ah!
Yeah. In any case, we love this project. We hope you love it too. Please, please help us make this thing real. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Meet Fairy, a small yet powerful pocket-sized drone that you can take anywhere you go. Thanks to its Fairy app, anyone can fly Fairy with ease. It allows you to take off and start taking photos with a single touch. The app comes with 3 flying options. Fly it by using the directional buttons, rotating dials, or even turn your phone into a motion sensing controller. Fairy's SLAM position technology uses optical flow sensors to hover steadily. Together with its 1080 HD resolution camera, Fairy is able to capture amazingly crisp videos and images. Fairy is built with a dual GPS system to accurately locate its exact position. It can return to its initial location with just a touch. What's more, Fairy can even auto-track the subject while recording. You can use Controller to fly it too. With up to 16 minutes of recording time, capture your videos and photos more than any other pocket-sized drone has ever before. Portable and easy to use, let Fairy capture all your memories.